Imagine surviving on just 2 gallons of water per person per day for all basic needs for weeks. Rainwater collection provides a crucial alternative source, often overlooked, a powerful act of resourcefulness in an uncertain world. There are several compelling reasons why harvesting rain makes practical sense for households. First, it offers a completely free and sustainable water supply, reducing dependence on expensive municipal systems, which can cost an average family $65 monthly for about 4,000 gallons of water. During emergencies such as power outages or natural disasters, having an available water source becomes vital when utilities might be compromised for several days or even weeks. Rainwater naturally lacks chlorine and other harsh chemicals typically found in treated tap water, making it superior for watering plants and many non-potable household tasks. Setting up a system is surprisingly easy and requires minimal investment, less than $20. You can begin with a clean 2-liter plastic bottle, a sharp utility knife, and a robust 5-gallon bucket with a secure lid. Cut off the bottom 1/3 of the 2-liter bottle to create an inverted funnel shape. This DIY funnel then fits perfectly into the opening of the 5-gallon bucket, which acts as your primary collection vessel. Position the bucket directly beneath a clean downspout or a well-maintained roof edge, ensuring rain flows into your funnel, minimizing spillage. For maximum efficiency, consider a roof area of at least 100 square feet, as this can yield 62 gallons of water from just 1 inch of rainfall. Once collected, the water must be purified for safe drinking for human consumption. A 2-stage purification process is highly recommended. Run collected rainwater through a clean cloth or a fine mesh filter to remove larger debris like leaves, insects, and dust. Second, and crucially, boil the filtered water vigorously for a full 1 minute to eliminate most bacteria, viruses, and pathogens. An alternative purification method involves building a charcoal filter using a 5-gallon bucket with a spigot, layering it with several inches of clean gravel, then several inches of clay sand, then a few inches of activated charcoal, and topping it with another layer of sand, allowing water to slowly seep through for improved clarity. Store your purified water in food-grade containers like 5-gallon water jugs or 55-gallon barrels in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight for up to 6 months to ensure optimal quality, lasting longer if stored correctly. Label all containers with the date of collection for freshness tracking. Always ensure your entire collection surface, including roof shingles and gutters, is cleaned and free of bird droppings or contaminants before any rain event to maintain initial water quality. Regular inspection and cleaning of your funnel and bucket prevent unwanted algae or mold growth, which could compromise the safety of your stored water. This proactive maintenance routine enhances longevity and reliability of your rainwater supply. A single decent rain shower can easily fill multiple 5-gallon buckets, providing dozens of gallons of valuable water for various domestic applications, from gardening to emergency hygiene needs, dramatically boosting your household self-sufficiency, particularly during extended dry spells or unexpected utility service interruptions, when every drop of water becomes precious, and the average person uses about 80 to 100 gallons of water daily inside their home. Untreated water holds invisible threats waiting to sicken you. Safe rainwater collection demands meticulous attention to detail, from roof to tap, ensuring every drop is a blessing, not a danger. After successfully setting up your collection system, careful purification is the next crucial step, especially if planning for human consumption. A preliminary filtration through a clean cloth or a fine mesh screen will remove larger debris like leaves, insects, and dust particles. This initial phase is vital for clarity and prepares the water for further purification methods, reducing the load on subsequent steps. Following this physical filtration, boiling remains one of the most effective and simplest purification techniques. You must bring the filtered water to a rolling boil for a full 1 minute to neutralize most harmful bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. This 1 minute boil kills 99.9% of waterborne microorganisms, reducing health risks. Construction involves a 5-gallon bucket fitted with a spigot at its base. Layering starts with approximately 2 to 3 inches of clean gravel at the bottom, followed by 3 to 4 inches of clay sand. Next, introduce 2 to 3 inches of activated charcoal, then top with another 3 to 4 inches of clay sand. Water slowly seeping through these layers will achieve remarkable clarity and remove many chemical impurities and odors. This multi-stage filtration system improves water quality beyond simple boiling. Storing your newly purified water requires food-grade containers to prevent contamination. Examples include 5-gallon water jugs or 55-gallon barrels, both designed for safe, long-term water storage. These containers should be kept in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight to inhibit algae growth and maintain water quality. Properly stored rainwater can last up to 6 months, though some experts suggest it can remain viable for 1 year or even more under ideal conditions and with regular checks. Always label each container with the exact date of collection and purification to monitor freshness. Regular inspection and cleaning of your entire rainwater harvesting system are non-negotiable for safety. This includes meticulously checking your roof shingles, gutters, funnel, and collection buckets for any accumulated debris, bird droppings, or signs of mold and algae growth before every rain event. A clean collection surface is the first line of defense against contaminants. Weekly or bi-weekly cleaning of the funnel and bucket, especially during frequent rainfall, will prevent biofilms and unpleasant odors. Globally, over 100,000 people lack safe drinking water, making self-sufficient practices like rainwater harvesting immensely valuable. This resource can provide thousands of gallons annually. A typical roof of 1,000 square feet can yield 620 gallons from 1 inch of rain, providing a family of 4 with a substantial emergency water supply for several weeks, consuming about 80 to 100 gallons per person per day. Even for non-potable uses, such as gardening, toilet flushing, or laundry, rainwater saves valuable municipal water resources, decreasing water bills by 20 to 30% for many households. Every drop collected and safely managed represents a step towards greater resilience and independence. It is an investment in sustainable living, costing less than $50 for an advanced setup, offering returns far beyond monetary value in terms of security and peace of mind. Ensuring a minimum roof area of 100 square feet can yield 62 gallons from just 1 inch of rainfall, which is enough for several days of basic non-potable use for a family of 4. A typical household uses about 120 gallons daily for all purposes, including 20 gallons for showers, 5 gallons for drinking and cooking, 7 gallons for toilet flushing, and 15 gallons for laundry. Having a backup supply of even 50 gallons can provide critical support during unexpected utility disruptions or severe weather events that can last for 2 or 3 days. For long-term storage, it is also advisable to consider adding a few drops of unscented household bleach, approximately 8 drops per gallon of water, which can extend shelf life to 1 year, provided the water is initially clean and free of sediment. This chemical treatment is a secondary safeguard, additionally maintaining an optimal pH level between 6.5 and 8.5 is important for water quality and can be checked with simple pH testing strips readily available for under $10. Regular system checks, monthly or bi-monthly, prevent blockages and ensure smooth operation of the entire collection and storage apparatus. This proactive approach ensures your stored water remains pristine and ready for use, whether for potable or non-potable applications, drastically improving household preparedness for water-related crises or daily needs, saving potentially hundreds of dollars each year. 99.9% of waterborne dangers vanish in 60 seconds. Rainwater collection offers a crucial path to independence and a clean supply once properly handled. After setting up, a system purification is a critical next step, especially for drinking. First, a clean cloth or fine mesh screen should filter out larger debris like leaves, insects, dust. This initial phase greatly helps clarity and prepares water for further cleaning. Boiling remains one of the simplest, most effective purification methods. You must bring filtered water to a rolling boil for a full 1 minute to neutralize harmful bacteria, viruses, and pathogens. This 1 minute boil kills 99.9% of waterborne microorganisms, reducing health risks immensely. An advanced filter uses a 5-gallon bucket with a spigot at its base. Layer 2 to 3 inches clean gravel at the bottom, then 3 to 4 inches play sand. Next, introduce 2 to 3 inches activated charcoal, then top with another 3 to 4 inches play sand. Water seeping through these layers achieves remarkable clarity, removing many chemical impurities and odors. This multi-stage system improves water quality beyond simple boiling. Storing purified water requires food-grade containers to prevent contamination. Examples include 5-gallon water jugs or 55-gallon barrels, ideal for safe long-term water storage. These containers go in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to inhibit algae growth and keep water quality. Properly stored rainwater can last up to 6 months, though some experts suggest viability for 1 year or more, regularly checked. Always label each container with its specific collection and purification date to monitor freshness. Regular inspection and cleaning of your entire rainwater harvesting system are non-negotiable for safety. This means checking roof shingles, gutters, funnel, and collection buckets for debris, bird droppings, mold, or algae before every rain event. A clean collection surface is your first defense against contaminants. Weekly or bi-weekly cleaning of the funnel and bucket, especially during frequent rainfall, prevents biofilms and unpleasant odors. Globally, over 100,000 people lack safe drinking water, making self-sufficient practices like this immensely valuable. A typical roof of 1,000 square feet can yield 620 gallons from just 1 inch of rain, providing a family of 4 with a substantial emergency water supply for several weeks. Daily consumption averages 80 to 100 gallons per person. Even for non-potable uses, such as gardening, toilet flushing, or laundry, rainwater saves municipal resources, cutting water bills by 20 to 30% for households. Every single drop collected and safely managed shows resilience and independence. It is an investment in sustainable living, costing less than $50 for an advanced setup, offering returns far beyond pure monetary value in security and peace of mind. Even a small roof area of 100 square feet can yield 62 gallons from 1 inch of rainfall, enough for several days of basic non-potable use for a family of 4. A typical household uses about 120 gallons daily for all purposes, including 20 gallons for showers, 5 gallons for drinking and cooking, 7 gallons for toilet flushing, and 15 gallons for laundry. Having a backup supply of even 50 gallons gives critical support during utility disruptions or severe weather lasting 2 or 3 days. For long-term storage, consider adding a few drops of unscented household bleach, approximately 8 drops per gallon of water. Extends shelf life to 1 year if water is initially clean and sediment-free. This chemical treatment is a secondary safeguard. Optimal pH level between 6.5 and 8.5 is vital for water quality. Checked with simple pH testing strips under $10. Regular system checks, monthly or bi-monthly, prevent blockages, ensuring smooth operation of the collection and storage apparatus. This proactive approach keeps your stored water pristine, ready for potable or non-potable applications, improving household preparedness for water-related crises, saving hundreds of dollars each year.